Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the new Starbucks bacon, sausage, and egg wrap. So, if I can get this out of here in one piece. This is a brand new option at Starbucks. It comes with 640 calories and it's kind of high on fat. There's a wrap. Inside this there's sausage, bacon, egg. There's cheddar cheese and a whipped cream cheese as well. So two types of cheese. It's pretty big. I'm going to get right into it here. Super cool. Sausage right away. They also have a Beyond Meat version of this. Pretty cool. You can see things like potato. And it's cool to have potato wedge in there. Or potato hash brown. Really good. The eggs, everything tastes very similar to the other breakfast sandwiches there. So even though this is in a wrap format, it still stays true to its roots and has that similar taste that you know and love. Bacon. It's real good. A lot of egg there. And I believe a lot of that whipped cream cheese is kind of spread throughout that. You can see the cheddar cheese, but the other stuff harder to see. Real good though. There's a gram of salt in this, so be warned. The eggs are still kind of salty, although they don't have like that distinctive salty egg taste. I'm pretty sure this thing's pretty salty. I'll have one more bite of this, and I'll give my final review on that bacony section there. Bacon's real good. So yeah, it's really, really good. I'm a fan of wraps. Like McDonald's has their McWrap breakfast options. I think they still have them. But I think that kind of option, rather than a sandwich all the time, having it in a wrap's a nice convenience. And it just, there's something different about it that I like. The Starbucks new bacon, sausage, and egg wrap, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this an 8.5. It's a really good breakfast option, honestly. Like, I like the flavor of it. Good textures and everything. I had to have this again just to really get a grip on what I like most about it, but I think it's a really good combination. It's got the eggs, bacon, sausage, and potato, and then cheese and cream cheese. 6 different things in there, all working together perfectly to make a good flavor. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.